Hey everyone, today we are diving into an exciting feature of Cursor, a powerful AI enhanced code editor that's revolutionizing the way developers write code. If you haven't heard of Cursor before, it's an innovative IDE that integrates AI capabilities to help streamline your coding process. One of Cursor's standout features is the Composer, which we will be exploring today. We'll see how it can help us build a Tic Tac Toe game with just a few prompts. Let's get started. Now let's ask Composer to create a two-player tic-tac-toe game. Look at that. Composer has generated all the necessary files complete with detailed explanations. I'm accepting everything and now let's see the results. Here's our basic tic-tac-toe game. Two players can take turn on the board to place their X or O. Let's spice things up by adding an AI opponent. Now I'm asking Composer to modify the game so that the second player is controlled by an AI. Composer is updating the code, adding an AI player. So let's wait for a few seconds. Okay. Let's check it out and play. Now we are up against the AI. Watch how it automatically makes a move after we play. To make it more fun, let's add difficulty level for the AI. Now I'm asking Composer to introduce different difficulty levels. Composer is modifying the code again. Let's test it out. Let's test it out. And there you have it. We can now choose between easy, medium, and hard difficulty levels for the AI opponent. Isn't that amazing? With just few prompts, we have built a fully functional tic-tac-toe game with an AI opponent and customizable difficulty levels. Cursor's Composer feature makes it super easy to create and modify projects efficiently. Now a question you might be thinking about, could tools like Cursor replace software engineers? It's a complicated issue. So let's break it down. As we have seen, Cursor can quickly generate and modify code from simple prompts. This might lead you to wonder, is this the end of traditional software engineering? While Cursor is powerful, it's important to understand that it doesn't replace software engineers, it enhances them. Here's how. Rapid prototyping. Composer enables engineers to quickly prototype ideas, exploring multiple solutions in no time, which speeds up the entire development process. Handling repetitive tasks. It takes care of repetitive tasks like generating boilerplate code, freeing up engineers to focus on more intricate problems and creative solutions. Learning tool. For beginners, Composer is a great learning resource, demonstrating best practices and explaining code structure. Problem solving partner. Engineers can also use Composer as a problem solving partner, receiving suggestions for optimizing and bug fixes. However, software engineering goes beyond just writing code. It requires understanding complex business needs, designing scalable system architectures, ensuring security and performance, collaborating with teams, making ethical decisions in technology. These aspects still relies on human judgment, creativity, and experience. Composer is a powerful tool, but it's most effective when guided by skilled engineers who can make critical decisions. In conclusion, tools like Cursor are transforming the way we code, but they are not replacing engineers. They are empowering engineers to be more efficient, tackle more challenging problems, and explore more creative solutions. The future of software engineering is about collaboration between human expertise and AI capabilities. This is just one example of what Cursor Composer can do. The possibilities are endless. Try it out and see what amazing things you can build. Thanks for watching and happy coding.